In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product bundles in Shopify. Simple tutorial. We'll walk through installing Shopify's official Bundles app and setting up your first bundle, step by step. Bundles are a great way to increase average order value and make shopping easier for your customers by grouping complementary products together. First, head to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to install apps. From the admin, open the Apps section and click Add to open the Shopify App Store. If you see a prompt labeled Shopify App Store, go ahead and click that to continue. In the App Store, use the highlighted search bar at the top. Type your query, then find and click on Shopify Bundles, the official app from Shopify. On the app page, click Install. Approve any permissions so the app can manage bundles, track inventory, and sync with your products. This is important so your bundle stays in stock when individual items sell. Once the app opens, click Create a Bundle to get started. On the next screen, choose Create Bundle. You'll see some highlighted fields and prompts that guide you through setup. Follow those on-screen cues as you go. Next, it's time to add items. Click Select Products. If the product picker opens with an additional Select Products option, click it again to view your full catalog. Choose the items you want in this bundle. For example, you might select a product like a classic long sleeve. After selecting your items, click Select to confirm your choices. At this point, save your progress by clicking Save. That ensures your work isn't lost while you fine-tune details. If you decide you don't want to keep the changes you just made, the discard option is available and will revert them. For most cases, you'll continue, so click Save and continue to move forward. As you proceed, double-check a few essentials. Make sure each product in the bundle is active and has inventory, since the bundle's availability depends on the stock of its components. Consider how you'll price the bundle. Many stores offer a small discount to encourage the purchase. Also, review any variant combinations to keep things simple for customers and avoid hitting Shopify's variant limits. When everything looks good in the preview, you're ready to publish the bundle to your store. After publishing, view it on your storefront to confirm the images, title, price, and add to cart behavior look right. If you need to adjust anything, return to the Bundles app and update your selections. That's it. You've installed Shopify Bundles and created a product bundle the right way. Thanks for watching and happy selling.